In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in QuickBooks using the chart of accounts. This process is essential for keeping your financial records organized, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. Let's begin by navigating to the QuickBooks homepage. Open your browser and type in the QuickBooks URL or simply click on your saved bookmark. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find yourself in the familiar dashboard environment where you manage your finances efficiently. From here, locate and click on the Transactions tab. This tab is usually on the left-hand side of the screen and is your gateway to viewing and managing all your financial transactions. Clicking on this will bring up a menu where you can find various options related to transaction management. Next, you need to click on the Chart of Accounts. This option is typically under your accounting settings, and accessing it allows you to view and manage the structure of your accounts, which is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, look for a button labeled New. Clicking on this button is how you add a new account to your financial structure. This action opens up a form where you'll input specific details about the new account you're creating. Now you need to enter the account name. This should be descriptive enough to easily identify what the account is used for in the future. It's often best to choose a name that matches the type of expenses or income the account will cover. After naming the account, it's crucial to choose the correct account type. QuickBooks offers various categories like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Selecting the appropriate type ensures that your accounting records reflect reality. It's also beneficial for creating accurate financial reports. For this demonstration, let's focus on setting up a fixed assets account. This category is used for long-term assets such as property and equipment which your business buys to use in its operation. Click on the Fixed Assets option to categorize your new account correctly. Finally, once you've filled in all necessary details and verified that everything is accurate, click the Save button. This action commits your new account to the system, making it ready for transactions and adding it to your comprehensive financial records. And there you have it. You have successfully created a new account in QuickBooks. This process, while straightforward, is a pivotal part of managing your financial health, providing clarity and order to your business activities. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your chart of accounts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy bookkeeping!